kind of differentiate the internet economy, sharing economy, and token economy. So, and in terms of the information, processed information, platform, and its business model, and its trust authority, and transparency level, verification cost, and manual operation. So, if you see, it's like all are digitalized. I mean, it was not initially, but eventually, when as the network evolved, as the expectation on the digital currency evolved, it all got digitalized, and it's same for all different economies. But when it comes to the, for example, the trust authority, here, as in we talked about, for example, smart contracts, and there are when we are actually using different protocols, there are different mechanisms to make sure every node is secure to join a particular network or a cluster, and hence that actually gives that actually enables every node to be trusted. So and hence so though it's a no here, but actually there are security mechanism. I mean, that's what mentioned here. So there is no single point of authority here, wherein it is the enablement of the trust is there with almost every nodes that are actually that are actually in the cluster, and the transparency, because it creates. I mean, every node creates a copy of a particular file that is coming. I mean, be it a file or be it a folder, which I'm going to talk about, such things in the later slides. Some particular technologies are used to enable this, but the transparency is there with every node, meaning, there is no particular single point of, source for a particular data, wherein the data is available all over the cluster, wherein anybody, probably a node 1 is actually requesting for a particular data which can be served by node 2, which is sitting very closer, and in terms of the availability as well. So the transparency is there with every nodes, and that's what made sure, and there is no cost involved at all, because every I mean, on other side, the nodes are actually going to be rewarded for sharing the data over the network. And again, there are technologies to enable this, to have this complete operation automated. And this is to make sure that there is no manual intervention, and when there is no manual intervention, that there are things are automated, and obviously it creates such an environment, such an infrastructure wherein it can handle some of the situations by itself. The system itself can handle, and there are some managed resources, like public cloud resources to tackle these things. Eventually, we are actually going to talk about that in the upcoming slides.